Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a really good looking Challenger right here. Rotisserie restored, so condition is fantastic, but isn't that just a good looking car? The wheels, the colors, the stance, the stripes, it's got it all going on. If you go to volocars.com, you can see all the photos top to bottom, read all the specs, get the price on this car and a few hundred other collector cars we have, and they're all for sale at volocars.com. But right now, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin in this bad boy. It's a Texas car. The fellow that restored it did the rotisserie, so it's all the original metal. It's a clean, rust-free car. It's an H code, so it's a high-performance 340. The motor was just completely rebuilt in this car. I have receipts. Yeah, it was flipped upside down. I got pictures underneath the car. It's painted like the body. It's all gold. All the components look fresh. Front end's gone through. The bottom of the motor is clean. The transmission at 727 torque flight is clean. New dual exhaust all the way back. It's got the square tips that come through the valence here. Flowmaster mufflers. The whole panel's restored. All the trim, the bumper is all beautiful. It has the dovetail spoiler on the trunk. All the gaps are real nice. The car is just straight. I mean, this is like just one big piece of gold glass when I look down the side of it here. All smooth. Chrome racing mirrors. All of this trim has been polished out real nice. New windshield, new vinyl top. It's got the stripes. Brand new Magnum 500 wheels. Look how fat they are in the back. Gives it that nice muscle car stance. It's got, they call it the powerbulge hood with the black stripe. Everything up here is restored and polished. Has the chin spoilers down below. Correct antenna, new windshield. Let me figure out where to open this thing. I have no idea. This has an inside hood release. That's why I couldn't find it out here. The whole engine bay is all clean metal, painted the body color. The motor's dressed up with the Mopar finned aluminum valve covers, air cleaner, spark plug wire holders. Looks like a new carburetor with electric choke. New polished aluminum radiator, new shroud, overflow bottle. It has an all-new vintage air system. So it's got ice-cold air conditioning. Door jambs are beautiful. New pop-up gas cap. Clean metal, painted gold. Brand new tire on a painted rim for a spare. It's got the complete jack assembly. It's all restored, mounted where it's supposed to be. This is all painted nice. New weather strip, new decals, new mat. So a nice clean trunk compartment. The dash pad was sent out and professionally restored. The steering wheel's not worn. The console looks new. All the upholstery's redone. Headliner's redone. The number on the cowl here matches the dash, which matches the sticker in the door, matches the original fender tag. The transmission is VIN number matched to the car, and I have the build sheet as well. A new alternator. Master cylinder, it's got the hood insulation, the rubber seal, the latches are detailed, so that's all real nice under the hood. Tinted glass looks really good on the car, and I do have all this documentation that goes with it, including the original build sheet for the car. Carpets are new, has seat belts front and back. The plastic trim, which would be the door panels front and back, it's all been I don't know about the door panels. The reproduction ones I've seen are a thin, flimsy plastic. This is the good, thicker plastic like the original, but they're mint. So someone must be making some really good reproduction door panels. Sill plates are new. Fire it up for you. Yeah, not too many cars back then had an inside hood release. It's right there. And now I gotta get the key in the right way. There we go. It's got a little mini tachometer and 2 gauges down below. Modern stereo. The dash panel is excellent shape. Nothing's cracked or broken. Visors are nice. Dome light works. Just a good-looking, quality muscle car. If you don't want to go out and work on a car and build a car, this one's done, ready to go. And if you consider what it costs to build a car these days, this car is a great value. Shuts nice. Just runs spot on. A really sharp looking finished muscle car ready to go. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll answer any of the questions about the car or the process, the shipping, the financing. We can help with all of that. So visit volocars.com and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these videos first, and we got a lot more to come, so keep watching. Thank you.